Imagine getting a flat tire. You open your trunk expecting to find a spare. You lift the floor. Nothing. No spare tire, no jack, maybe just a tiny repair kit. So you start wondering, did car manufacturers actually forget to give you a spare tire? No, they removed it on purpose. And the reason has surprisingly little to do with saving you from carrying around extra stuff. Let's look at what's really going on. For decades, a spare tire was standard equipment. If you got a puncture, you pulled over, grabbed the spare, jacked up the car, changed the wheel, and continued your journey. Simple. So why are more modern cars abandoning the spare? The first reason is weight. A full-size spare tire can weigh anywhere from roughly 15 to 30 kilograms, depending on the vehicle. Then you have the wheel, jack, tools, and other equipment. All of that adds weight that the car has to carry everywhere, even though you might only use it once every few years. And here's the interesting part. Less weight means the engine or electric motor doesn't have to work as hard. That can improve fuel economy in gasoline cars and increase driving range in electric vehicles. Even a relatively small weight reduction can matter when manufacturers are trying to meet increasingly strict efficiency and emissions targets. But there's another reason. Space. Modern cars are packed with technology. Bigger batteries, more electronics, larger braking systems, hybrid components. And in electric vehicles, huge battery packs can occupy the space underneath the passenger compartment. That leaves less room for a traditional spare tire. Instead of using that valuable space for something you may never need, manufacturers can give you a larger trunk or more storage space. But there's an even bigger reason manufacturers can get away with removing the spare. Tire technology has improved. Many modern vehicles use something called run-flat tires. These tires have reinforced sidewalls that can temporarily support the weight of the vehicle even after losing air. That means you may be able to drive a limited distance at a reduced speed and reach a tire shop safely. Other vehicles come with a tire repair kit. Instead of replacing the tire, you use sealant and an air compressor to temporarily repair a small puncture. It's not as convenient as having a spare, but for many everyday punctures, it can get you back on the road. And there's another factor you might not expect. Cost. You might think removing a spare tire would make the car dramatically cheaper. But that's not necessarily what happens. Manufacturers can use the saved space and weight to meet efficiency requirements, improve packaging, or reduce certain production and shipping costs. Meanwhile, roadside assistance has become much more common. If you have a serious blowout, manufacturers increasingly expect you to call for help rather than change the tire yourself. But here's the downside. Removing the spare isn't always better for the driver. A repair kit won't fix a completely destroyed tire. If you hit a pothole and damage the sidewall, you're going to need a replacement. And if you're stranded somewhere remote, waiting for roadside assistance can be a lot less convenient than simply putting on a spare. So before buying a new car, check what it actually comes with. Does it have a spare, a space saver, run-flat tires, a compressor and sealant, or nothing but roadside assistance? Because two cars that look almost identical can have completely different solutions for a flat tire. So the next time you look in the trunk of a new car and discover there's no spare, don't assume the manufacturer forgot it. They made a calculated decision. Every kilogram matters. Every centimeter of storage matters. And every feature has a cost. The spare tire didn't disappear because flat tires disappeared. It disappeared because car manufacturers decided that most drivers would rather carry less weight and more usable space than carry a heavy solution for a problem they might never have. And that trade-off is something you should know about before you're standing on the side of the road with a flat.